Most weight loss advice is wrong. Cut carbs? Wrong. Fasted cardio? Wrong. Spot reduction? Definitely wrong. Here's the truth. There are only 3 stages to losing weight. Get these right and you'll never need another diet again. Stage 1, the foundation. Step 1, eat in a 15% calorie deficit with 18% of your calories coming from protein. Doesn't matter if it's calorie counting, intermittent fasting, or keto. Every method works only because it puts you in a deficit. No deficit, no fat loss. Step 2, move more. Not by killing yourself at the gym, by walking. Just add 1,000 steps a month until you're at 6 to 10,000 daily. Why? Because structured exercise is only 1/4 of the maximum metabolic burn you can get out of physical movement. NEAT, the steps and mindless movements you do all day, is triple that. One workout won't undo 23 hours of sitting and sleeping. Step 3, psychology. You have to stick with these 2 steps no matter how the scale fluctuates. If you can't, then your real enemy isn't food, it's your mind. The root cause of this boils down to just 3 blockers. 1, food is your answer to feeling better or to feel really great. 2, you have beliefs around what being thin could mean for you that you're not at terms with. 3, you don't have a vivid, compelling picture of why you're losing weight beyond the number on the scale or body in the mirror. It has to go way past skin deep. Fix these or nothing sticks. Stage 2, optimize. Once you have nailed the foundation for at least 3 months straight, multiply your results with 3 upgrades. Food quality. North Star is 80% whole foods, 20% fun. But it's a North Star. Don't overhaul overnight. Cut 1 junk or sweet, hold it for 3 weeks, then layer the next. 2, have fun in your body. Find a movement you enjoy for 20 minutes a week. Short day hikes, dancing, pickleball, climbing, whatever. Nothing is more of a super drug for longevity and mental health than movement. But aim for low impact, medium intensity. Protect your joints while you're still at over 30% body fat for women or over 20% for men. 3, if you're not at 8 to 9 hours of sleep, up your sleep duration by 15 minutes every month until you get there. I lied before, nothing is more of a super drug for fat loss, longevity, and mental health than sleep. Stage 3, breakthrough plateaus. Every 3 to 4 months, your progress will stall. That's biology, not failure. Break it by experimenting 2 to 3 weeks at a time with 1 lever. Tweak calories, adjust carbs, up protein, test sensitivities, change workout type, or eat at maintenance. Plateaus aren't the end, they are the process. Now, let's cut through the noise. One diet is superior. Nope, all work because they put you in a calorie deficit. The difference is only in the lifestyle and skills they demand of you. So the question isn't whether any method works, it's whether it fits you where you're at right now. But what about hormones or slow metabolism? You're more sensitive to changes, but the physics don't change. The sweet spot is just smaller. I need to work out a lot. Nope, you don't need formal workouts for fat loss until 25% body fat for women, 15% for men. Here's the bottom line. Stop torturing yourself. Weight loss is simple. It's not easy because the sweet spot for your body and lifestyle is unique to you. And that's what makes it hard. You need the self-awareness, patience, and critical thinking to identify what fits you specifically. I've coached thousands of people to find their sweet spot, and I can shortcut you to yours. If you want my help, click the link in the description and comments below to learn more about my program. Or if you want to DIY it, watch this video. It breaks the 3 stages down per body fat stage with clear do's, don'ts, and trade-offs. So you don't do the right things at the wrong time. So you don't want to miss the step-by-step breakdown here. And always remember, you can do it.